me when it comes to you.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Why are you crying?
Because I just thought about it. Video, so shut up. No, I'm joking.
What's good, 4K gang? It's me, 4K,
and we're back with another video.
So in today's video, we're at I said Red Lobster.
This one you're seeing Red Lobster?
We're at Red Lobster, and
Red Lobby.
I'm going to be doing a Would You Rather with my girlfriend.
You all up in her face.
I'm fine.
No attention to me over here.
Exactly.
I'm sorry.
And her mom has a potato thick. Oh yeah.
She forgot to say
Would you rather mukbang?
And that's why I'm here to help you, boo.
Make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. Okay. Would you rather or let me make out with another girl?
Wait, so you're me?
No, we both gonna say the same.
Okay. I think a threesome because I would good. I would not be able to watch you. I would probably watch you kissing another bitch. I'm gonna be a
So you rather watch me have sex with another
No,
same stuff?
no, yeah, because I'm included. I'm included.
She make out with another girl.
So you let me do that?
I let
now?
her make out with another girl. Yeah, before a threesome, yeah.
I said, baby, I want to kiss her.
No, not right now. Be quiet. Anyway, would you rather
Starbucks? You say, or you? Starbucks all day, every day. Like, no. What the fuck? Why would I?
You're right. Would you rather lose your teeth or your arm? Your teeth or your arm?
How many teeth?
All of them.
All of them. I mean, my teeth, because I could just buy new ones. I can't buy a new one. I mean, like.
Mine even gonna cut.
I know that you're probably gonna get. Don't mess with your teeth.
I'm not.
I fucking love your teeth. You could just get a little crown over the dino.
Would you rather never get married or never have kids?
Never get married. Marriage ain't shit. Kids are forever. Like, marriage is like, kids are always there.
I feel the same way.
She would be me so bad. What?
Would you rather have the world end by water or fire?
Water.
Let me get some. Why?
I wouldn't want to burn to death.
I don't know.
But I probably wouldn't want to.
Yeah, I heard drowning is painful.
Yeah.
I want to burn though, so.
What would you do?
We're here in Chicago. It's one thing to I never really know anybody that drowned. They say burns are the worst injury of all.
It probably is. You got about 10 seconds. Go ahead.
When you have a burn really bad, you hallucinate. It's that, the pain is that bad.
I bet.
How do you stand hallucination?
Would you rather be in a room full of roaches or a baby panther?
I know you said a baby panda at first. I'm like, oh, a panda. What the fuck?
A panther.
Panther? Hell. Are panthers even like that? It's coming right.
Thank you. I don't know. I'll probably be in a room full of roaches.
Yeah, I would too.
A panther, I don't know.
Because I doubt they're like
can't
gonna touch.
Shit, I don't know about that. Good mood. I know, but alright, playing with a possible terrorist, a bad thunderstorm.
Did you make these up?
Yeah.
What the hell's wrong with you?
I see you deep in thought. Is this
Go with the thunderstorm at night because a terrorist in an airplane, you never know. That shit go down, you might have a chance to survive. Because they have lifeboats. You don't have life jackets on the airplane. When you go down, you're dead.
You have life jackets.
What's they gonna do? They don't let you get off the plane. Exactly, yeah. Would you rather watch me have sex?
Wait, and I can't do nothing about either?
No. No. Shit. I don't know.
I'm about to start crying. I can feel my. No, for real. I'm imagining fucking somebody else, and I'm gonna cry. I don't want to think about you having sex with anybody else.
Which one?
I would. I'm trying not to cry.
Oh my god.
I'm so hurt. I'm crying.
Pig. Are you really crying?
Yes.
I go for the jokes because she
I can't.
Damn. What the fuck?
Never. You would never see that.
Back, bitch.
Why would I?
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Just because the fact, no, because I know, like, so I really feel like you would like hold your own shit.
Oh, you're doing something.
Oh no, go ahead.
Somebody tried to give you lobster tails and you said you didn't have
I think they asked some people because I
wrong place.
Oh.
I said grill. Okay, carry on.
Oh really?
I heard all that first.
Yeah, I'd watch you get jumped. Only because like you wouldn't be no bitch. Like if I swear to God, if I ever walked in here, I would just leave and just like go to a mental hospital if I'm crying and you didn't even do it.
I'll watch you. Yeah, I can't watch you get jumped. Hell no. Save your spouse from drowning or your mom.
It's kind of hard for me.
I know. She got the pressure. We got our lobster tails. She got saved.
I'd plead the fifth. I'm not joking. I don't want to be in that. I'll try to take both of you guys.
Alright, so get some
You don't know what to
biscuits and
say?
soda.
I'm good. We just got us some lobster tails. Can't see it. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Okay.
I was wondering, I was like, is that her thumbnail? Like, you
I was
just,
trying to think.
I hope I never have a dream like that. I'm just gonna try not to think about it too much tonight. Like that? You know how many times, have you ever woke up out your sleep, like, I woke up and turned around like, oh shit, this is a dream.
What would you do? Mommy? Or me or your mama?
My mom.
Low-key.
Sorry, I love you, but she birthed me and I feel like she would do the same to me as somebody else.
Same. Would you rather date a girl that had...
Don't know how to wash up right, only because I'll teach them.
I'll show right. Because then, yeah, I can teach them.
Don't
I
like
can't-
when women can't wash up right.
From the mistake.
Yeah, no, I'd be talking shit all day. That's why I ate that salad, because salad fills you up. Seafood doesn't really fill me up. Seafood don't really give a
Bro, what are you talking about?
I don't know why lately, these couple of days, she been thinking she... Like... For real, dude. Like...
I can't rap. I was rapping in the shower, and then she tried to join in. She's ass though. She cannot rap. Remember we sitting on the bed for like 5 minutes going back and forth? Rhyme.
I can rap better than you.
But I can
we not
rhyme.
gonna talk about that.
But I can rhyme. You can't even rhyme. Like, I don't care, because I'm better than you. Like a child. Like an 8-year-old rap battles. That's how you rap, bro.
Alright.
Okay.
Anyway. This is... Quick video, you feel me? Mansion with $1 billion, but you can't have no contact with no family, no friends that you have, or for the rest of your life with the family that you have now and the friends that you have now. But you ain't gonna be rich.
So, no family?
No family, but you
Why
gonna be
couldn't I
rich.
just... I'm like,
No
fuck
family,
y'all
no
bitches.
friends.
I'm great. Why do I have to answer first? I want to go off of your answer. I think they're staring at our camera. I'm just saying. You asked why they were staring at me. They was all just staring. I feel like I would do the 9 to 5 only because like it's sad without like the little tiny people I talk to.
And then no family.
I'd be
too.
depressed. Like that's the thing. Like a lot of people with a lot of money would be depressed because they don't be happy. You pick the same.
Yep.
I told you she want to be me.
Right. I choose to work the 9 to 5. You said the 9 to 5 too.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to her channel below. And make sure you guys get this video thumbs up.
And press your notification bell. And make sure that you stalk her so you know her next video is coming out.
Yeah.
And we love you guys.
Y'all, join right now.